Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to set the flash on a Nikon D3300 camera. This will be a tutorial for the various flash settings that you can choose from. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to turn the camera on again. It just went into the sleep mode right here. Now, when you want to set the flash, what you want to do is push, I'm going to bring this a little bit closer so you can see a little bit better. Push the info button right here, okay? And now we're going to be able to scroll through the various options. So we're going to scroll to the flash setting. I'm going to click it with the center OK button right there. We could choose from the following options: auto flash with red eye reduction, and flash off. So we're going to choose whichever one we want, and then I'm going to click OK. So that's how you choose the flash setting. That's one option. Okay, I'm going to click the info button to exit that screen. There's also an additional button over here. If you take a look at the front of the camera, there's a flash button right there. If I press and hold that down, I'm going to press it right now. Okay, if I press and hold that down, I can now use the scroll wheel to choose what we want. So you can see flash off, flash auto, and flash auto with red eye reduction. Okay, whenever I want to choose one, so let's say I wanted the flash to be off, I would scroll to it and I would release that button right now. And that's it. It's literally that simple. That is how to set the flash on the Nikon D3300 DSLR camera. It's actually a very simple tutorial and it's really easy to do. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.